Good morning, children. This is your SUPW teacher coming to you with lesson number 1, Food and Health. Children, food that we eat has lot of elements which help our body to fight with diseases. So, for good health, one should take balanced diet which has all nutrients in a right proportion. To be healthy, we should take good food. Now, let's start this lesson. Food is essential for every living being. It nourishes the body and gives the vital energy to work and play. The food that we eat is a mixture of those elements that are needed to resist diseases. Therefore, it ensures a healthy body. A balanced diet is extremely important as it supplies the body with the essential food elements which are imperative for good health. External looks of a person like skin, hair, etc. reflect his/her state of health. For good health, we need a balanced diet with natural foods. Children, do you know what are natural foods? Natural foods are the foods which do not require processing, have very high nutritional values, and do not have too much calories. Thus, natural foods have the following qualities. They are raw and fresh. They are cooked in a simple way. They are neither refined nor processed. Through such foods, the body gets enough nutrition without any adverse effect on the health. Foods that are refined, processed, or cooked using too much of oil, fat, and spices are very filling because they are very high in calories. Moreover, they are not good for health because they do not have any nutritional value. The key to good nutrition is a balanced diet. A balanced diet supplies the body with the essential elements in the right proportion. One's diet should consist of a variety of food that provide proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Proteins. They are essential as they help to build up the body. They are obtained from the lean meat, milk, egg, and fish. Meat with the excessive amount of animal fat should be avoided. Proteins are also available in lentils, peas, beans, nuts, and whole grains. Milk and milk products also provide us with proteins. Now see, children, let's finish reading, then I'll explain you. Carbohydrates. We get Carbohydrates from sugar, honey, starch, potato, rice, they provide energy and maintain the body temperature. Fats. Fats also contain the same elements as carbohydrates, but they are better source of energy. However, too much intake of carbohydrates and fats are very harmful. They cause heart attack, obesity, etc. Vitamins. They are organic supplements which help to fight diseases. Deficiency of vitamins or minerals may cause many diseases. Our bodies need different kinds of vitamins. They are vitamin A. It is present in milk, carrot, fish, egg, papaya, etc. It prevents infections and protects our eyes. Things which have vitamin A should be eaten raw or cooked in a simple way. They should be simply steamed, baked, or poached with a little water. Vitamin B1 and B2. It is present in green vegetables, milk, butter, yeast, etc. Vitamin C. Citrus fruits, tomato, cabbage, melons, sprouted grains, seeds and beans are the rich natural sources of vitamin C. Vitamin D. It is obtained from cod liver oil, milk, butter, etc. Vitamin E. It is found in cereals, green vegetables, egg, etc. Minerals. Minerals like calcium, potassium, magnesium, iron, sulfur, iodine, etc. are also essential for a healthy body. Thus, by eating proper, good and rich food, we intake the right amount of proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins and minerals in our bodies. If we want to look and feel good, then we have to give the right nourishment to our bodies through proper eating habits. For a healthy body, besides good food, regular workout is also essential. Physical exercises keep our bodies fit and strong. Exercises like yoga, aerobics, jogging, skipping, swimming, etc. result in a physical fitness for us. Outdoor games like badminton, tennis, cricket, basketball, etc. are some very good physical activities that keep our bodies healthy and fit. Now we have read the lesson. So you understood, children, that for good health, food full of nutrition is very important. Food full of nutrition means food which has protein, carbohydrate, fats, vitamins A, B, C, B1, B2, all these vitamins, elements, that they are nutrients. And if they are taken in a balanced amount, that food is perfect food which makes our body healthy and it will keep us away from the diseases. Food rich in proteins are like meat, milk, egg, fish. They are very rich in proteins. Otherwise, proteins are present in many other food things, like protein is present in nuts also. Protein is present in suji. So many things are there in which dal, protein is present in dal also. So you must take protein because protein is a very good nutrient. Next is carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is present in sugar, honey, starch, potato, rice, wheat. It is present in all this. Carbohydrates is good for health, but too much of carbohydrate is not good. What it does, the carbohydrate maintains the energy and the body temperature. Fat also contains some elements as carbohydrates, but fat is also a better source of energy. But too much of carbohydrate and fat is, I've told you, not good for health because it may cause heart attack or obesity. Obesity means eating too much of food and becoming fat. Vitamins, they are organic supplements. Vitamin A is present in carrot, fish, egg, papaya, etc. It is very good. It should not be, we should not take very fried, or we should take boiled or steamed vegetables. It's good for health. Lot of oil is not good for health. Then vitamin B1, B2 is present in green vegetables, milk, butter, yeast, etc. Vitamin C, all citrus fruits have vitamin C, tomato, cabbage, melons. These are all rich in vitamin C's. Vitamin D, best source of vitamin D is sunlight. So to gain vitamin D, one should sit at least for 10 to 15 minutes under the sun also. Beside this, cod liver oil, milk, butter, etc. is rich in vitamin D. Vitamin E is found in cereals, green vegetables, eggs, etc. Now minerals, few minerals that are very helpful, very good for our body and very essential for healthy body. They are potassium, magnesium, iron, sulfur, iodine, etc. But it should be in a proportion. Sometimes sodium increases, lot of problem in gets. Body has to face lot of problems. Iodine increases, then also decreases, then also. So it should be in a very proper proportion. Eating proper food and rich food, intake right amount of carbohydrate, fat, vitamins and minerals in our body is good. If we want to look and feel good, we should have right and balanced food. For healthy body, good exercise is also necessary. Physical exercises keeps our body fit and strong. So we must play games also, outdoor games, so that exercises, body exercise is done. That's the end of this lesson. Children, we will do question answer. Photo of the question answer I'll give you, and you need not make copy of SOPW. Take out mid page and write the question answers as I have done here. Like this. I'll send you the photo. Then fill in the blanks. In the book itself we will do. You will do fill in the blanks and true false. Thank you.